something doing on that occasion. It's a nice ball away. Will be hot stepping Nacuqu. Nacuqu denied moments ago now.
They certainly go long. And it is to Nacuqu. He starts again. Quick, Nacuqu! Skins two. New stuff now on the cover. Nacuqu left, right. And new stuff.
Chips it across. The football shows the dummy. David gets it. Ball's still there. Nacuqu! On point 40.
Cup quarterfinals, if you just joined us, they will play the Blitz box in the Cup semi-finals and running rampant. Silla! What a breakout!
Lovely work from Veramalua off the restart. Revolver on the switch down. Fiji starting to hit their groove in Dubai, and here they come once more.
It's inside the 2 wide. Oh, that's brilliant. And here they come. It is Nacuqu. He offloads Nacuqu. Veramalua, Jasa Veramalua. Oh, that was powerful stuff from Jasa Veramalua. Silla and Revolver out there, the playmaking rolls together. That's gone forward off the dropout though, but it's into the hands of a Fijian. And they only need one opportunity, and they've got it.
Kunavula still tracking. Kunavula looking for help. Kunavula now switches back to Kunavula. It's perfection. It really is from Fiji. They open up a 10-point lead.
Here come the Islanders once again. Lovely stamp from the line. Waisea Nacuqu. Neat offload to Nacuqu. Nothing wrong with the pass, says Rathavenge.
There's Ronnie South, shortlisted for Rookie of the Year. There's the offload to Silla. Over the top, oh look at that. Champagne late in this quarter-final party to Fiji. That's lovely to watch.
Up towards the 22. Now Fiji look to disrupt. They come through. It sits up okay. Here they come again.
Now Silla. Looking for the switch. Against Makunavili yet again. Tuna Silla. The offload's fantastic. What a score! Waisea Nacuqu. Put down try number 4,000 for Fiji.
Now Fiji counter beautifully. Here they come again. They're relentless. And it's going to be Jasa Veramalua with the final try.
They go quickly. Silla. Nacuqu. Waisea Nacuqu has the first try. You get the feeling they're going to have to make most things count in this game, Australia. And that pass has gone loose. And it's a counter-attacking chance for Fiji. They're the best transition team in rugby sevens. And that's what they do to you. You make a mistake and they'll hurt you. And Nacuqu has his second try. On again, the back of some great defense. In the middle of the
Mundial, size better option is to throw it into the midfield. Joas and a punishing tackle still in
Bit of space on that far side. Maroney thrown into touch. Still with the men in white. They pick and go. A wonderful breakout. Beautiful support running. It's Fiji. Nacuqu. It's going to go over. Stretching the legs.
Fiji flat pass that time to Nacuqu and he's away. Sweeper to beat Nacuqu. He's got support inside and there's the offload to Veramalua. Oh, that's brilliant from Fiji. Series leaders, supreme at sevens. That's about as good as it gets.
mighty Fijians, who have the first possession here through their number 6 pick, Justin Malua, gold medal winner at the Rio Olympics. And look at this young guy go away over the 22, the neat little pass back inside to Waisea Nacuqu. And Fiji have started this game just as they left off against Russia earlier on today, signing it off in style. Waisea Nacuqu.
Kenya Chan brings out around the ground and Tao comes in, makes the shot. Here they come, Fiji in and away. South made the hit and scores the try. South is a freak.
Speaking of someone that can wallop you, there's Nacuqu who breaks through. Now he looks for some support, they get it out. France look to try and cover, but no one is going to catch Mundo.